Welcome to Saliqa Mag. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma and 10 plus years of teaching experience of these skills. Today we will learn how to make a perfect fitted trouser. Here you can see how we can take measurement. First we need the waist measurement, then the crotch and the hip measurement. All measurements in inches and centimeters are written, and also you can see that on this picture how you can take the crotch measurement by sitting on the chair. So first I'm leaving here 3 inches or 7.6 centimeter for the belt or elastic. Then I'm just going to mark here the waist. All the measurements are written on the screen. You can check in centimeter and inches. After waist I'm going to mark here the crotch. My fabric is on 2 fold because first we are going to cut the front piece and then we will cut the back piece. So now it's the hip line. After marking here hip line, then we will take the hemline of your trouser. It depends, if you want fitted, then 7 is enough for the hemline. So after that I'm just taking the half of this hip line, and also same way I'm just marking here at that point, and now I'm just marking the straight line. So after marking this straight line, now from the center of this line I will mark my hemline on both sides equally. So let's suppose if you want 7 inches, then 3.5 one side and 3.5 the other side. That's how you can take your hemline. Now it's time to join the lines. First we will join this side line. I'm using this leg shaper. You have to keep it straight. If you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. And if you are beginner, you can check in my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. So now it's time to shape here this way. Also I already uploaded a video. If you don't have this leg shaper, you can check on my playlist how you can make your trouser pants without this scale. So now you can see our front part is something like this. Now I'm just going to give here the shape for the crotch, and here I'm marking the 5 inches from down to upside for the folding. You remember that we just leave here for the folding, and now I'm leaving 1 inch all the way for the seam allowances. Only on this side, the cross side. The other side we don't need any seam allowance, because we want here a perfect shape. So now you can see I just fold that leftover fabric into fold again. Now it's time to cut our back side. Back side will be bigger, 2 inches bigger, so I'm just leaving here 2 inch extra on the belt part. And after that I will place my this front part as a pattern here, and I will trace exactly first, and then I will show you what extra you need to add. So here I'm just adding 2 inches extra because our back is bigger. And here you can see I just add 2 inches only from the this belt side. See, after marking the straight line I just mark here 2 inches extra, and then I just join it from the side of our pants. Now after tracing all this, you can see this is the marking, and now just cut it. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to press the like button, and if anything is not clear, let me know in the comments, so I will answer you. So I just mark here the cross so that you know which is front and back. Now it's time to stitch. first I will stitch the side lines this way. So just stitch straight, and I'm also using here the serger as well because my fabric is stretchy. Now it's time to stitch this side crotch, but the down side of your leg. And after stitching this it's time to stitch the other leg, and after that I just turn one leg inside out and one is something like this. Now I will insert one leg inside this, and now just match the crotch and pin up it first, and then front with the front and back with the back. So after pin up it, you will see this shape is something U shape. So this U shape we will stitch all together, and that's how our crotch will be done. And it is always a good idea to double stitch it so that your stitching will be secure. So see, this U shape we are going to stitch first, and after that I will show you how we will attach the elastic. So here this is, you see, this 2 inches is extra on the back, so this is our back. Now we take elastic, you can take by around your waist, or otherwise just minus the 4 inches from your actual waist. Now I just stitch the elastic, and now it's time to attach it with the trouser. Pin up it, mark the side with the side and front and back with the front and back. Now I will go to the machine, and if you are a beginner, keep in mind that don't stitch on the elastic, only stitch on the fabric. So in this way you can easily move your elastic and while you are stitching, so it will be easy for you to stitch the elastic as a beginner. See, I'm just stitching on the fabric, not on the elastic. In this way every time I just stretch my elastic easily, and after stitching you can just adjust it all the way. And now it's up to you if you want one more stitch, or you can leave as it is. It's totally up to you. So now it's time to fold the hemline. First fold it according to your marking, and better if you press at this point and or at least pin up it, and then we will stitch this hem shape. You can also do it by hemming. If you don't know how to do invisible hem, you can check in my playlist. I have a very detailed tutorial how you can do invisible hemming. So now just remove this free arm and put your this hem here, and then stitch in this round shape. So guys, hope this tutorial is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. Thank you.